Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent Avenuex. Have you ever had a toothache while traveling or living in an English-speaking country? Imagine you're sitting in a dental clinic, but you don't know how to explain your problem in English. It can feel stressful and embarrassing. Don't worry, in today's lesson, you'll learn a real-life English conversation at the dentist. You'll also discover useful vocabulary, everyday speaking sentences, and natural expressions that native English speakers use. So, relax, listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and let's improve your English together. At the reception desk.
Good morning. Welcome to Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have a terrible toothache and I'd like to see the dentist.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Is the dentist available today?
Yes. Please fill out this form and the dentist will see you in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Useful vocabulary. Toothache, pain in a tooth. Appointment, a scheduled visit. Dentist, a doctor who treats teeth. Clinic, a place where doctors work. Patient, a person receiving medical treatment. Now let's continue.
Hello! Please come in. I'm Dr. Smith. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. My back tooth has been hurting for 2 days.
I see. Does it hurt all the time or only when you eat?
It hurts more when I eat or drink something cold.
I understand. Please open your mouth.
Sure.
Let me take a careful look.
Okay.
It looks like you have a small cavity. The good news is that we can fix it today with a filling.
Will it hurt?
Not at all. I'll numb the area first so you won't feel pain.
That's a relief. Thank you.
More useful vocabulary. Cavity, a hole in a tooth. Filling, material used to repair a tooth. Gums, the soft tissue around your teeth. Sensitive, easily affected by hot or cold food. Numb, without feeling.
Everything is going well. You're doing great.
Thank you, doctor.
The filling is finished. Please avoid eating for about 1 hour.
Okay. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss every evening, and try to eat less sugar.
I'll do that. Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. Also, remember to visit the dentist every 6 months for a regular checkup.
I definitely will.
Daily English sentences. Let's practice some useful sentences together. I have a toothache. My tooth hurts when I chew. I need to see a dentist. My teeth are sensitive. My gums are bleeding. I think I have a cavity. Do I need a filling? Can you check my teeth? How much will the treatment cost? Thank you for helping me. Repeat these sentences aloud. Speaking every day is the fastest way to improve your English. Today you learned important words like toothache, cavity, filling, gums, appointment, dentist, and sensitive. You also learned how to describe your pain, ask for help politely, understand the dentist's questions, respond confidently in a real-life situation. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Fantastic job! You just completed a real-life English lesson that you can actually use at a dentist's office. Keep practicing these conversations until speaking English feels easy and natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluent Avenue, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another practical English lesson. Now here's today's question for you. Have you ever visited a dentist? What did the dentist tell you? Write your answer in simple English in the comments below. I'd love to read your responses. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.